How's it going, YouTube? Did I say the same thing? No? Okay. Anyway, I'm back at home, back with the car. Pretty happy. This is the second time I've seen it with the wheels on there, so still fresh and new to me. Got the usual suspects out here with me. Khalif gonna help me. We got some goodies for the car. If I can get, here we go. Got side skirts, rear diffuser, and a couple more boxes over there. But I didn't want to bore y'all with the unboxing and all that, because a lot of people either have side skirts or something. The rear diffuser, not too many people have, especially not this style. I was gonna make a how-to video on that, but I'll probably just do a time lapse and explain later on. But like I said, that's what we got going on. We're just gonna put side skirts and rear diffuser, change up the aesthetics of the car just a little bit. You know, help everything out, just to make the car a little bit more unique. Like I said, with the new wheels, the car's pretty unique now. So weather's not too bad out here, but I guess let's go ahead and get started. No more need to waste time. So I moved to the interior of the car. I actually got a new interior piece. Pretty common change, especially for the window leaves. We'll check it out. It is a suede interior dash panel. Change out this leather one. It's just one of those things that you wish Chevrolet would have done for you, even if you had to pay the price for it. This piece I got for $125, I think, from Chevrolet's $180 or so. Just slap that on the sticker, or just slap this interior as a package so I can get a full interior. Like, I don't have the suede knee bolsters that the Z01. You can get them in the SS2, I believe. No, or you get leather. Like, why can't I at least get leather? The knee bolsters, the door panels with the arm pad and the knee pad over there. So that's a whole package. I think the whole package is $1,000 or something. I forgot the exact price, but like I said, it's just something like, you just slap it on me if you have to. Like, I'd rather pay for it up front or make the payments on it, or whatever the case may be. However you pay for your car, or negotiate at the dealership instead of having to pay aftermarket prices, or some of these parts GM prices. Like for the carbon dash panel, the people that wanted it right away, they had to pay basically directly from Chevrolet. So like I said, I'm gonna put this on. I don't know if I'll splice this into the video I just made of the rear diffuser, or maybe even side skirts. This is kind of just like a quick video. I'm gonna time lapse this as well. And like I said, it's not an install. Lethal Camaro's got a good install. How you actually take the infotainment center off, how you take this off, and how you're going to change the vent. I actually watched that. Actually watched it a long time ago, but I've actually taken the infotainment system off to change my stop start button to the Z01 button. So even that, like, I've done this before, so I'm no stranger to it. But I want to time lapse it, and I say that I'm no stranger because it's easy. So guys, if you get this part, don't pay anybody to do it. Really, like, if you look at the back of the, it's just clips. There's no bolts. There's 2 bolts back here that you'll get to. That's it. So don't pay anybody. I'm pretty sure nobody will, because like I said, this is an easy install. I'm gonna go ahead, we'll get into it, and hopefully, I mean, I've seen it in person, so I know it's gonna look good, but I'm pretty excited, so let's get to it. So, got the dash installed. Literally took like 2 minutes. Hopefully you'll see in the time lapse. I was fighting the 2 screws that go in here. Like, I've done this, like, I did it once. I took it off twice, I believe. The 2 times I've done it, I haven't had a problem. But the one time that I want to record it, put on video, the screws fight me. They were falling behind the screen and all that. Like I said, to actually do this, if it was pop the 2 screws, pop this off, pop the vent off, put the vent back on, and put this on, literally would have took no more than 4 minutes. It's that simple, because this pops off, 2 screws and everything else. There's a screw back here and everything else is easy. So I like it. I'll probably take some interior shots one day, get shots of the car. I'm gonna get a new radar and hardwire it in up at the top, which is gonna be pretty tough with the PDR up there, but we'll make it happen. But like I said, you get the dash panel out, get a new one on. Tell me what you think. If you know anyone trying to get rid of some knee pads and door stuff, let me know. I highly doubt it, because it's some pretty nice stuff. I've actually sat in this passenger seat one time, and looking at this compared to that, just makes it a whole lot better view. to me personally. I guess I was looking at it like, dang, I can't wait till the day I change mine out. But like I said, I just wish one of these, because the one of these is virtually a Z01 without the supercharger, or without the motor, pretty much. I mean, it's got the same rear end, suspension is basically the same. I know it's a little bit different. I mean, wheel size, everything. You get, I mean, that's what you get. That's what I look at the 1LE as. Is, I mean, I know it's a little bit more track focused than a regular 1LE. I mean, a Z01, not a Z01 1LE. We all know about that. But the SS 1LE might be a tad bit more track focused just because of the way the suspension's tuned. But with that being said, it is basically a Z01 without the supercharger, like I said, and there's no way you can tell me it's not. So like I said, I wish they would at least gave you the interior since you're not getting the supercharger, but we know Chevrolet doesn't care like that. They don't care that much. All right, so just got it done. As you can see, check it out real close. One of the major things that I think people are complaining about this particular diffuser was the fitment, especially on the ends right here on the edges. But to be honest, they fit pretty good to me. I mean, of course, original parts usually fit better than anything else. But like you can see, straight across the top, it fits pretty damn perfect. And the side, there's a small gap, but it's honestly, I couldn't even complain about it. Same thing on this side. It's just a small variance that you probably can't even see, but like I said, I like this diffuser. Very mild. A mild change to the car. You won't really be able to tell it's even on there, which is what I want. I don't want anything that's big and obnoxious. I know they make some diffusers that like way down here, stick out all the way out here. I hate those. They're pretty ugly to me personally, but this, where it almost looks like a factory part, that's what I like. That's the style I like. And I took my working bill off just because I felt like it was necessary to change it up. Give the car a different look. We'll put the side skirts on here in the next day or two. But this is Stan, and this is my 1LE with the new wheels, everything like that, new diffuser. Y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching.